You read the title already, let's just get into the video. I think the best option to live stream easily in full HD is Riverside. I've been using them for over a year, and there's a few reasons why I went with Riverside. Number one is ease of use. If you go and use free software like OBS, you can technically live stream in full HD, but it is so much work to set up. It's a really hard learning curve, and there's not really settings to make an engaging live stream. It's basically the manual way of doing things. The second reason I went with Riverside is because of price. They are the best price option if you compare them to competitors like StreamYard or Restream, which is always ideal. And thirdly, they have a ton of additional features built in for creators. They have a built-in video editor with AI editing tools, so you could literally just edit entire YouTube videos with this thing. They also have something called Magic Clips, which will literally make short clips automatically for you from your live streams and your long form videos, as well as having podcasting tools and features, which are helpful for me because I also have a podcast. But you're obviously here for the live streaming part, so let's go ahead and hop into the tool. Let me show you how it works. And if you actually want to try out live streaming with this for completely free, because Riverside is sponsoring this video, you can actually go through my affiliate link and use coupon code Colin, and you're going to get a 30-day free trial. So you can actually utilize it without having to pay for anything. You have 30 days, so that should get you a few live streams. See if you actually like using it, and then you can decide whether you want to commit to using it or not. Let's hop in. Let me show you how it works. So inside of Riverside, you're just going to click on the Go Live button here. I've got my cam link selected, which is my DSLR that I've plugged in. I've got my Rode mic and then MacBook speakers. I'm not using headphones. Just going to click Join Studio, and here we are inside. If I want to have guests in, I already have a copy link button here that I can just start sending over to friends or guests, or I can just click the X here, and then I'm going to take up the full screen. Now we obviously got to add our destinations to where we're going to live stream. So I'm just going to click the plus button here on live stream. I'm going to live stream on social. I already connected my YouTube channel, which I just had to sign in and allow them access to be able to live stream on YouTube. But there are also Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Twitch, TikTok, or a custom RTMP. If you don't know what an RTMP is, it's basically a custom destination if you were to manually do this. But all these, you literally just sign into your account and connect Riverside to it. And then anytime you want to stream to anywhere, you just turn it on or off to choose which platform you want to stream to. And once you've connected all your channels, you can technically just start by clicking Go Live. But let me show you some of the additional features that really make Riverside stand out for live streaming. Now, right underneath the screen here, you're going to notice all these presets here. I can actually utilize these if I want to like share my screen. I can have myself off to the side, or I could do something like this or something like this, especially if I have multiple guests, they'll kind of stack on top of me as I show something here. But this is a really great way to share your screen, share a presentation, and then I can easily just click back to go into full screen. There are reactions where if I want, I can do these likes or claps, especially my guests. If I'm talking, they can react as well. On the far right side, you'll find your people settings where I can adjust volume. I will have all my settings here if I want to adjust those. I have my chat, which is actually pretty awesome. So I can actually see all of the public chat from all my different channels here. So if I do, let's say someone puts in here, question, can you give me tips? And someone puts that in the chat, what I can actually do is as I'm seeing these comments come in, I can hover over the comment and click show on stream. And notice it literally pops up and I can put that question on stream for people to see. So it's a really awesome way to make something really engaging on a live stream and pop people's questions up so they feel special, they get seen, and a great way to interact with your community. In addition, you can also go to the brand section. You can add your logo, brand colors, a background. You have text options where let's say you're talking about a product or something on a live stream. I actually have this text here where I can show link is in the description. Go check it out. And so people can click in the description of a live stream, go sign up for your email list or buy a product or whatever action you want your viewers to take. Or if you just want to do like a live presentation, you can literally do like type out text, tip number 1, tip number 2, tip number 3, and do like a whole live thing with active text effects going on, which is really cool. And then below that, you have the media section. And here you're going to find a bunch of different sound effects that you'll be able to use. You can preview them first. And then if you click the live button, they'll actually play live. So these are really fun things that you can do to really add to your live stream. Now, what really takes this to another level is the magic clips that you can make from your live streams. You have more clips to go out on social media. Now, this was technically an interview I did, but it would be the exact same way with a live stream, which is your recordings of your live stream are going to pop up here inside of Riverside. And if I head over to Made For You, you can actually see, if you scroll down, that clips are generated from the live stream. So you have multiple guests. It's going to show those screens if you want, or it's just going to auto-generate the captions too and make little clips that you can just post to social media on top of the live stream. And these are generated by AI, which, sometimes it gets it awesome and right. Sometimes you need to make a few adjustments, which is you can just literally hop into Riverside's editor and be able to make all the adjustments that you want. So maybe I want to change the position of him on camera to line it up. There we go, made that adjustment. I can also go in here and add things like videos or B-roll on top of my clips or different images. I can adjust the captions if I want. And there's also AI tools built into the Riverside editor to help you remove silences, to improve the audio. If perhaps the guest has bad audio, you can improve it, fix eye contact, and more. So there's a lot packed into here to really help you edit your video, or even to just create short segments from your entire live stream. Like, it does an awesome job. And again, you can literally try this free for 30 days through that affiliate link. Use coupon code Colin, and you can go play around with this. Go live a few times. No commitment because you got a free trial. So go play with it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.